One more time for us, please.
Look at that.
All right, everybody give him a clap. I'm so glad to have you back in here with us.
I'm
and
telling you, and
play it for us.
I'm gonna stop talking so much, but I'm gonna say this here. When the doctors and everybody else can give you up, God's still working.
Amen.
He's still working. And then that's where he worked most at, when everybody else done gave you up.
Yeah.
That's what he does. That's what he specializes in. And I thank God for Mr. Swin. Mr. Swin, you got chill bumps on my arm. You got to make me cry. I'm telling you, because God is so good. And when you can see the power of God right before you, what else can you do but say thank you?